Encountering the "this version of YouTube is out of date" error on your Android device means the YouTube app on your phone is too old to function correctly. YouTube, owned by Google, frequently updates its app to introduce new features like shorts, enhanced live streaming capabilities, and AI powered recommendations. These updates also address security vulnerabilities and ensure compliance with policies like GDPR and CCPA, particularly relevant in 2025. This error typically appears because your app version is below a required threshold, often due to disabled auto updates or using an older Android OS. To fix this, updating via the Google Play Store is the primary solution, boasting over a 90% success rate. The most straightforward fix is to update the YouTube app via the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store, search for YouTube, and tap Update if available. If that doesn't work, try clearing the app's cache and data in your phone's settings. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, find YouTube, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache or Clear Data. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the app. Remove YouTube from your device, and then download it fresh from the Google Play Store. For advanced users with rooted devices, sideloading an updated APK from a trusted source like APK Mirror is an option, but be aware of the security risks and potential warranty implications. Remember that YouTube requires at least Android 5.0 and 2 gigabytes of RAM for basic functionality, but Android 10 Plus is recommended for optimal performance and newer features. Keeping your Android OS updated is also crucial for app compatibility.